Ati January 370 bank statement. Ati someone's boyfriend's bank statement. January 370 February until manje July. And then phansi abhala mabaceda bayakwazana for yena lo muntu. Ngathi hey kubi yabona
like
so sakhuluma ngaraiding ukuthi vela ngithi ngikhaphe mall vele ukhipha imali kaMaphosa. Angithi
it doesn't matter when manje like uyenza ngathi it matters ukuthi yakabani.
Oh askis masisemall la ngithi sibuye sidlule emakuleni ukuthi lo bhuti la lo muntu othengisayo
istrate ngibona lo abathengisayo
yeah lo muntu othengisa
ama
vaslapi ama lucky stick insipho amakausi so uthi uthenga ugwayi emakuleni makathi uthenga ugwayi emakuleni
wena seshwazela ukuthi uyathenga ugwayi
angithi ubonile umesi laphethe ugwayi akithi ayiziyizi bekaphethe ugwayi so Tombo hakena la bambambi abonye upe bamvalela bamthathela sonke lesa stock into ayithengisayo and then umphako kunabantu abobaba bakulela kasi abayenzi next uphuma elinye Grootman la Grootman I thought ukuthi uGrootman uyenza action yabo le Grootman manje lo muntu abamambi kunzathi yo Grootman ngicela ungisize bangithathele izinto zami Grootman ethi nami ngiyabasala bana mara kunobanye abobaba emasayidini nami khona la
kunale bathu strategi like lo kuna negele teng strategi so batho ba ka tanga ba baleya ababaleki babona challenge uJuly akafuna ukuphela ende already from E1 until namhlanje nakusasa July and after kusasa July kulikwenzakala izinto eziningi like advocate Malisela on podcast and she like keep my friends Kelly Kumalo and all that like so the mewa cases abo mkhwanazi ya ukhipha ama files abantu ukuthi kwenzakalani like imzansi nje imovie like if ever like ungabhekela la i-podcast then chill up like
ngibonile
like ungabona ukuthi like i-country is fucked up as like yabona if manje sithi siyalwa sila thina masilwa la asazizozora kanjani ngoba already kumoshekele phezulu kumoshakelele because izinto abazikhulumayo ukuthi like wonke ama politicians are involved
wonke bathi wonke
most of
Hola, thank you guys for joining us once again. It's our boy bafethu Thulim session into mnyama ngaphandle mhlophe ngenhliziyo yazi bafethu sesho mnyama gezi ya polish Ringers podcast show bafethu favorite kasi podcast bafethu uyazi bafethu tholakala khona emsotra phakathi etsasa bafethu so bafethu niyazi bafethu ukuthi sihlezi sinethele into ezijuice into ezimaswiti kakhulu mengihlele nethwini lami kayi bafethu uthwini
DB.
DB. Usho bamzila uthi DB.
Twin DB. Like now bazobona bayabona ukuthi co-host Twin DB.
So, awungitshele Twin DB. Ilanga lakho la fanda uvuke wayenzani? Uvula ke libe njani langa lakho before uzofika la studio?
Yazi. So, yabona ne amalanga yabona bathi amalanga abafani.
Yeah.
Bakhuluma iqiniso. Yabona amalanga alapho imali ikhona kwi-account vuke ekseni kabi namhlanje since ngivuke since ngo4
awe
since message i-clock abayiceda i-clock since ngivukile ngibhizi ngama TikTok wami ngibhizi ngama Instagram ngingena lapha ngingena ngiphuma ekseni ngavela ngaclean maqeda ukuclean ngageza ngathi ithinyo nje ukuthi siyashuta nama ngibona ukuthi hayi uyasprinkler la ngathi ayasembe siyemall
like le mali le mebuyapi
it doesn't matter.
Oh, mara ngithi wonke umuntu uyazi ukuthi ngalama date lawa urama pills intake
like so why ubuza wena
uyazi otherwise
angithi umalume wami uRamaphosa
So balmoni nonke ngoba unenzela nonke esakhuluma ngoRamaphosa azi Tsunami le Popeye uposte esinye status ku Facebook yabo athi January 370 bank statement athi someone's boyfriend's bank statement January 370 February until manje July and then phansi abhala mabaceda bayagwazana for yena lo muntu ngathi hey kubi
yabona le yokuthi i-bank statement ithi plus 370 abanye abantu abayijabulele lento yokuthi like i-370 kuphela engena kwi-account and nanoma if ever kunama-side hustles angeke ukwazi ukuthi uyifake leyo mali kwi-account yakho ngoba uRamaphosa nabantu bakhe bazokubona njengomuntu osebenzayo oholayo.
Mina ngiya-understand why aposte lento leyo. Angithi ukuthi ubona phansi ngiyasho ukuthi phansi uthe and then bagwazanele. So cabanga senizogwazanelwa umuntu like amara understand that. And also
obvious if ever bayathandana. Angithi obvious sometimes love conquers. Kunabanye abathi mina angijoleli ukuthi uzomnikeza ngizothola isincane ku370 ngijolele ukuthi ngiyamthanda bese kanti nayo ubhizi namanye ama-chicks bese bayagwazana ngoba maybe like ziyenzakala izinto maybe bayaphana ngamnandi or something.
Otherwise afethu ngithanda ukubonga isupport yenu. Ngiyabonga abafethu like iyakhula like siyabonga abafethu ama-subscribers ama-views like iyakhula abafeaturing as community bafethu siyabona ukuthi grow each and every day like siyabonga abafethu continue do the right things bafethu share bafethu comment nanoma ungacomment ucomment uthi yo thina umseshi ukhuluma kakhulu like comment ngicela khona ukuthi iappear nakubanye abantu angithola kubantu ababhaya ku YouTube nangithola ama-subscribers azokhula so nethela into egrand niyazi bafethu so sakhuluma ngaraiding ukuthi vele angithi ngikhaphe mall vele okhipha imali kaMaphosa angithi
it doesn't matter wena manje like uyenza ngathi it matters ukuthi yakabani
as keys so ngisasho ukuthi ubonile kulamakula ngasemolo angithi ubonile hlangana nalo bhuti lo
loya bambambe inkunzi
kunalo bhuti lo bambambe inkunzi yo before bafethu untombi ukhona kayiba fethu ningathi ivoice kabani manje sipethi intombi kayina camera 1 nangiyamrekereke camera 2 sibonge MC yakho so masisemolo angithi sibuye sidlule emakuleni shokuthi lo bhuti lo muntu othengisayo strategy
ngibonile lo abathengisayo
lo muntu othenga amavaslapi ama-lucky stick insipho amakawusi so uthi uthenga ugwayi emakuleni makathi uthenga ugwayi emakuleni
wena seshwazela phi ukuthi vela thenga ugwayi
angithi ubonile umesi kaphethe ugwayi akithi ayiziyizi bekaphethe ugwayi so Tombo akena la bambambi abonye upe bamvalela bamthathela sonke lesa stock into ayithengisayo and then umphaka kunabantu abobaba bakulela kasi abayenzi next kuphuma elinye Grootman la Grootman I thought ukuthi uGrootman uyenza action yabo ne Grootman manje lo muntu abambambi kunzathi yo Grootman ngicela ungisize bangithathele izinto zami Grootman ethi nami ngiyabasaba bana mara kunobanye abobaba emasayidini nami khona lapha
kunale bathu strategi like le kuna negele teng strategi so batho ba ketwanga ditso ba baleya ababaleki baba no challenge
so uthini wena like yini take yakho kulento leyo 20p
like understand ukuthi why abantu bangayenza into kanje yabona if like eqaleni ne into ezisubhlungu ukuthi like asila uqala ngibona nithwetshela last time ke babone bankela abutomondi cricket and whereas batho ba dutse mole like ene le bona ba rekisa mara bankela ole ba monkela dintho like and ha ona motho o thusang at some point ne ke wisha go ka thusa but what if ka thusa mo kante nna ke tlo le mala and then batho ba tshela morao so ba suka motho mo le mo hanana hore if nka ya ka yo thusa what if
so
ba le mala nna what if bankela nna dintho tse ke di tshwere
so mina ngaqala ukwenzakala fanda kharaile kuwe ubhekile
like bajwayele labantu laba nabona namathaka lawa aze-Shoprite in bayawavula bathathe like and wonke umuntu ubheke sekuyinto enormal futhi yabona i-strategy senje into enormal ukutshontsha
so Tombo what's your take on this one
yona ibuhlungu because like umsolo wayizamela and
then
nje it shows uyaphothia shame kumoshekile and a lot is happening
like akitsibe bona re fihlile neng mo more relenting as Proteas out because Billy Proteas out in never go one get a motor, one get go 10 rand down 10 rand down get 10 rand. Never shop on a abutomo so is it in your pelin and get abutoka 100 rand about
put on my
cool and eh, but pick up a loma it's all like bomalume mphakathi bafika bayomushiba mthoko kina omikile amkhomba mokhomba mphakathi waqala so wamushapa like kwamu discipline so hona ja usana discipline like hona ja so thaba bathu bathaba like mphakathi faba like search if ngenze something wrong bese bayaya lapha bayongishaya kusasa wona lo mphakathi lo wo ozokuthengisa emaphoyiseni ukuthi naye lo bheka khona and if ever no ubukhona lapho umuntu ukukhombile angeke uvumele ukuthi mina ngiyofanyiwa ngiyofela ukuthi bengisha umuntu nabanye abantu so that is why abantu basebathayi thina sabukusiza inkinga we betray each other
cause okay like even lenkayene like any view kule nto yenzakala ekhasi leyo ukuthi intwana ezincane zibamba abantu abahoti ikunzi because mawuthatha ubhekane wonke umuntu okhala ukuthi ubambe ikunzi ngentwana encane abantwana abakuma abasase primary most futhi nabo sebakwazi ukubamba ikunzi ne and then shukuthi okay and ikunzi labantwana abase primary ngimamele la bayibamba ngabo 9 10 understand ku late umntwana mebha ku grade 9 grade 7 uhlala nomzali endlini angekho nanoma ana 21 ababhano basahlala endlini basahlala nabazali babo so abazali babo bayabayekela baphume ngo9
ithi ngikutshela session abanye abazali like bayasebenza ngizokhulumela laba abasebenza
mara ngo9 bayasebenza ngo9
bakhona abanye like khana bayishe emateksini khana baphume ematrainini like angazi ukuthi akithi benkayi bayajwang like batsadi ba machayisa late and abakhona like maybe bana basetse le rona thaka tsa bona so and rona sometimes ha re yo ka montlong bana ba strateng like but like you know parenting ya kasi ha se ntho like to batsella bana strateng because how na now like wa mutla ngwana hantsa le kantle bana na ga maybe ngwana ka o ntsa le mo kanti ngwana wa mafatsing
mara even if use strateng now isestradini ekasi like maybe kusendlini isestradini ejaridini la ku like still usestradini angekho safe wena usho ukuthi awunandaba ke ngesafety umntanakho 10 o'clock umntana grade 7 grade 9 even if unetrick like usasomntana u9 ufunana estradini and then amakhisi abhaya mase if mina ngiyazi ukuthi ngibambobani ikunzi intwana le manje utho ukuthi sometimes abazali baba defender like hayi ngwana ka never into so and stuff wabona mara
because like umzali the reason angathi ngwana ka never ayetsa ntwese it's because the only thing I nahana ngwana is only the best on now ngwana ka like abantwana baya change
best ukuthi uzoyekela umntana
like abantwana baya change amongst yabona futhi like kuya ngoku like into ngingayikhuluma lento le before la ngathi like i-community esikhulela kuyo like i-mindset uthola ukuthi ubhuti wakhe bekayenza into ezisnathi manje ubona ngathi ubhuti wakhe bekayenza into enhle so that is why like abanye bayayiqhubekisa like into eqhubekayo ukuthi siyazi ukuthi emndenini like kumoshakele and sometimes it's not only into enzakala in general sometimes izinto zama spiritual cases and all that like izinto ezinjalo seshi it's like that.
So Ntombo mchayelo nona lungwana ubloma lungwana hawo under 18 ukamdumela abe outside like ngo9
never if ule mtswalo uthi ba ka 9 hlabo sikathi it's a plan ya hore go be le mthathala le bana bao until ukhuhle ke msebetsi wa ngwana grade 7 starting ka 9
yeah yona ha ke promote ya ngwana o starting ka 9 but like a ke tsebe ke tla re protest out like community go lela ngwana like bana ba go tloetse bana mo starting ba bang like ka bo December ke ne ke marketing ngwana ke mbona ayo ngwana na bana grade 6 mo like o sem jive o tlo ke like ya bona like into khona ayisathusi like abantu abasathuki ukuthi ha umntana omncane kanje strateni sekuyinto normal sebayenze inorm
and ukhuluma egrand la makhuluma like ukuthi December uyababona like ukuthi uDecember uJanuary kuyafana you can't let umntana wakho ufuthi
like into ngisho
yes ukuthi ayimjiving uya like other thing is khawathaye ekasi ukuthi kunabantwana abancane like baphuza utshwala in front of their parents like nabo bayallow lento leyo tips ungayi justify please like ibabhaya abantwana abancane abaphuza utshwala like phambi kwabazali babo.
I'm not gonna justify ukuthi like seshi angazi akithi bikla beyajwane mara that's like a chill before environment like hona le bana ba saneng pela batswadi ba bona today like nane ba bana pela mamaka nane ba ka etsa but if ever like batswadi ba na le ntse like ha ngwana sana ba 16 ba gae sa le moholo.
That's the problem.
Like bamnikeza ianathema and sekata ukuthi into right but sometimes iya ngokuzitshela abanye abazali abafuna abantwana baphuza utshwala but for the sake yokuthi bayambona ukuthi lo mntana lo like akamameli sizomenzani like uyahamba abuye kusasa kungcono simthenge laphuza endlini like into bayenzayo manje
it that kunabazali ababanikezayo imali ukuthi okay ke yi16
yazi like okay
like ukuthi inga
ona how many years
una 15 umntwana una 14
yazi ne abanye bayenzela like angithi basikuna different parenting skills. I'm not a parent yet but like ngiyabona ama tactics like emphakathini ukuthi yabona okay lapha like it's like kume kanjani kithi kunjani like sometimes nginoba ne comparison compare ukuthi okay uyabona like ezinye zihamba ngokuzitshela ukuthi mina until I reach this age angeke ngiphuze utshwala like uyasho ukuthi like none if bangathi like back force yini ukuthi ayiphuze utshwala mara if vaccine utshwala ngeke ngiphuze.
Ngiyabuza
Sometimes like abantu ba blame abazali babo benza me excuse ukuthi the reason ngibhema umzali wami the reason namhlanje ngikangaka etshwaleni umzali wami but sometimes ihamba ngokuzitshela umuntu ukuthi I'm not gonna let ukuthi the way umzali wami angikhulise ngakhona ngizokhula kanjalo ngizokhulisa umntana wami kanjalo.
Tips you know ukuthi like protestant kugcwele abantwana abangahlali protestant and abantwana aba under 18 mipo babuyishawela kakhulu babuyishawela sinawani period letsani abantu abahlezi base protestant ukuthi unemonth angakazana kubo mara umntana ongena isikolo
kusho ukuthi ubalekile it's clear
wayazobalekele protestant ulala kwabani eprotestant emzini kwabani because la khona kunomuntu omdala akunantwana ena 18 onijarite kasi mara like baningi kabi so like yabona ukuthi ezinye izinto like kudingeka ukuthi ngeke sothi itsatsa like lawona abazali kwamele nobaqinisa isandla ukuthi
no search like uzothi uqinisa mawuqinisa isandla uzoqinisa kanjani ngokumshaya ngoba mamshaya uyoboshwa bayokubophisa ukuthi umama uyangishaya so uyabona ukuthi like lezi zinto lezi
otherwise asikhatheni ke leyo wafithi si dropini ngoba ngiyabona siya kude izodlela nesikhathi sethu esingekho okay 20 uyazi dala ngekho emakhamereni nasestradeni dala ngekho so what's happening kwenzakalani kulo July
uyabona ne uJuly akafuna ukuphela and already from E1 until namhlanje nakusasa July ne and after kusasa July kwenzakale izinto eziningi like Advocate Malisela on podcast and she like keep my files Kelly Kumalo and all that like so they were cases about mkhwanazi uya keep my files abantu ukuthi kwenzakalani like imzansi nje imovie like if ever like ungabhekelela i-podcast and she like
ngibonile
like ungabona ukuthi like i-country yethu is fucked up as it like uyabona if manje sithi siyalwa thina thina masilwa la asazizolwa kanjani ngoba already kumoshekele phezulu kumoshakelele because izinto abazikhulumayo ukuthi like wonke ama politicians are involved
wonke but wonke
most of politicians are involved and if ever like case yakasenze moyiwe ingaba wrapped up like bangayicrack abantu abaningi bazophelelwa umsebenzi abale eikhundleni so bayazama ngakonke okusemandleni ukuthi like ingaphumi le case le ezandleni
so wena you believe ku story saka advocate Tifo
yeah mina I believe him because ayikho umuntu ozofika azihlaze phambi kwamakhamera akhuluma into angayazi and
ukutrend
like ukhuluma izinto documented like and uze like nange statement bekaze na like bekakhuluma into ayiyaziyo and nanoma bekakhuluma akhatha like yabona uyazi ukuthi like ukhuluma slow but if befuna umuntu one patience yokumlalela that's why ngibe ne patience ukuthi ngilalele the whole episode because like izinto bekazikhuluma lapha most of them they make sense so bathi akahle bathi Advocate Malisela waze lathi kuphi ukuthi uKelly is the one who pulled the trigger that day but yena wathi as an investigator a detective knows what happened even though bekangekho laphaya, but angakwazi ukuthi astructureize istory nge-postmortem and all that. So yena and le nto ayikhulumayo yonke imake sense, like into make sense mawuhlanganisa isihloko uyabona ukuthi le nto le make sense and ukukhipha abantu about detective Baloyi,
detective or advocate,
advocate, I'm sorry guys, advocate Baloyi wa Chiko Twala, like uphume abantu abaningi.
Okay, Deep, okay, I know you believe the story. So if mo ukhini Khumalo wena mozobuyenzini after ke udubule usenzo njengoba advocate for Asho,
like you because go kiss I like angeke ngikwazi ukuphila ne guilt. Ngiyajweza guys, wabona kisse bekutho itwarisa.
So Tombo wena no kaitsa
ake ba bona ntwe le planned utsho re vele from the start if vele kena a putting trigger eo le pelo ene sa itsheditse re vele nteke to yet and le nna ne go net even ne ke mthunzi nna ne ba ke itshwarisa ha lo mtaka itshwarisa nka is tonkong
yo nan ne ke tlo itshwarisa cause like bona hona tse like bona na tse like bona like story sense se donza nahana if ever someone cracks this case
and then I
and we still uzoya ejele uzoya unless if ever nje uyiphapanza lipu
mara ngithi advocate for arty yena iyafuna
uyakhuluma
mara yeah understand
mara like uvale like yo hi mara uphilela abantwana bakhe at the same time there's something she's got to live for, but mina ubuya kwambe ngizozibopha isashe
I know mongithemba bogeli yo ukatobara
because it was like if ever be intention from the first place, like yabona if ever into yenze intentional, if ever yena uyasho ukuthi I did this unintentionally bengizozibopha.
Yeah,
like since on the reach to a point where Kelly Khumalo as akatla amobolaya
neli captain ya South Africa,
so to something after
captain
uthi something
yena
yeah
how could you
never get
since I think unalomsashi
mahaye ngana chita
vele cause ngana chita ka Kelly Khumalo
ngana chita I say easy ngana chita
like sometimes I wanna like if ever senzo lena and I do it to them so do I mahaye ngabe usayizana ukuthi ngabe Kelly Khumalo as situation analena and if at the same time if ever Kelly Khumalo or I didn't do this thing angimbulalanga, I feel sorry for her cause cabanga one day so yavuka something happened gu spouse sakho, your husband, your boyfriend, and then the world blames you. Uzenzani? Like what's over Ntombo, then everyone is blaming you for what happened. Utwetsa jwang?
Yeah.
Like if ever high years I've deep down I didn't do this thing. Like because of what I didn't do this. Maha the first of hate. Yo very and
that was our captain, that was our captain.
Tradition in South Africa, normal like with or without evidence. If I'm to omuntu I enter something, banka if in banka or son, Barontombo, will shop right, I feel like chicken. Nanoma osaya shop right, wile motho o tshwana le wena. Mara as long as batho ba believe ba go kwena, batho ba tlo sheba Tombo utso di chicken kapa utso di diaparo Mr Price.
Mara if asena molele nya ke phunga ba mphethe boneng.
Sakiri una suspect say 5 laba baloko basejele manje phela
bakhona lawo ma suspect lawo ayi5 kanjalo, none of them was there at the scene according to detective advocate Malisela. Ngiyamthanda detective guys
so tholi khata le butle yangu le butle yazi le kingi yo sobiyela lapha dipswetsa lapha so tholi khata no
according to advocate for Malisela,
yeah
bonke labantu laba bayi5 laba none of them was at the scene that day according to him. So uyabona ukuthi like le case le it's very much twisted. So nomuntu ozoyikreka mela thola ama million ngoba and yazi lengicabangani yabona uyakhuluma usho that day uthi maybe this was advocate Madisela uyasho ukuthi like it's a ritual, it's sort of like a ritual.
Yeah.
Ritual ngoba in 2004 the very same gun ebulale uSenzo Meyiwa, it was the very same gun ebulale umntana ka advocate Baloyi, but allegedly lo mntana loyo usidubulile.
If unobufakazi ukuthi isibhamu yiso lesa, why bangababophi ke bona la?
And uLongwe Thwala, the son of Chico Thwala, ubhale istatement lapho ayisho what happened that day, a summary of what happened, yeah, according to his side of the story. Uthe like yena ufikile in that house, uye bekaphethe isibhamu.
Yeah.
Makafika bekayothusela abangani bakaSenzo for ubani uZandi Khumalo, isister ka Kelly Khumalo.
Yeah.
Makafika lapha athi yobathusa balwa angazi bebafuna bamkhepsela isithunya
isibhamu. Yeah.
Bamkhepsela isithunya abamthamula isithunya jalo ba montsetsa kantle ha tsela kantle ba etsa a utlwa di gunshots twa a khutela ka hare hore a yo bona go etsalang ha khutela ka hare batho batso o setse ba ke Kelly Khumalo o tshwere Senzo Meyiwa, so a rata metse go ba founele Magata ba founela ma Chico Thwala a founela ma advocate Baloyi.
Advocate Baloyi ke shebeletse episode le la ka wa shasha.
Yes, like such I literally watched that episode twice.
Ba re o founetse o
Dr. Ivan, sorry guys, Dr. Ivan o founetse Dr. Ivan cause before banga isa Senzo Meyiwa spetlele. And ba Mr. after 1 hour and allegedly ba itsa Mr. Spekele appeal, but according to postmortem ba re sithunya se the way sithuntseng ka teng se mo feel only 25 seconds to appeal.
Okay.
Ubani uLongwe Thwala kulese statement sakhe beasho ukuthi like uKelly Khumalo ushilo ukuthi yimi engimdubulile like into ezinjalo.
Uye amdubulile uLongwe.
uKelly Khumalo uye odubile uSenzo a confessa kuLongwe. So uKelly Khumalo after the episode le yaka McG no detect advocate Madisela wa yenza i-live video.
Izophela ezwakala ukhohlo kwamele nikhiphe kusayele.
Wayenza i-live video. Wayenza i-live video asho ukuthi like bangamjwayeli kabi yena. Nakazange sho kanjalo wathi.
Bukhulu wenze kanjalo.
Wenze i-video.
Shuthi ke angithi u-advocate uthi uKelly Khumalo
uyafuna ukukhuluma
makenze live video.
Uthi umuntu angamjwayeli kabi yena akaze athi ufuna ukuconfessa what is what.
So sure na can believe advocate. I think we batla trend. Advocate batla trend bafethu. Mara
yazi ma cause izinto ezenzakala le Mzansi uye wakhipha nokuthi angazi i-former commissioner eseGauteng uye o trade oyenza oyi-supply ama drugs. Hey
laba ama-drug iditshalo kasihlupha kanje kasi ngesikhuluma
ngawo ukhulume ngayo advocate Madisela.
Which means Ntombo,
if unal evidence emsalibuwanga why batho abasathwako because into
power chelete money talks business lala money re se ke ga lebalang gore country ya rona e jwang like guys la ndisa only site la Mkhwanazi dintho tse ding tsa di bua di similar tse Mkhwanazi ana di bua. So what makes you believe in Mkhwanazi then you can't believe yena?
I ke believe ke why ba sa tshwarwe.
Oh how why ba sa tshwarwe go tswa mo believe
because why batho ba sa tshwarwe if unal evidence. My question is evidence e teng na?
like me na ke batla go ba ntshoro e teng na.
If evidence it but since
and bane ba lona le bhekicele
bona ba
so ya sho bhekicele na corrupt
ushilo uthe bhekicele is corrupt
bafisa
like uyibhekelela ngayo yonke le episode
yes
manje awuzwanga makakhuluma ngobhekicele wakhuluma uthi sibani lo waseGauteng ufoma yakhona ngimkhohlwa igama washo ukuthi he is corrupt.
Madam nami obvious wonke umuntu uyacaba ukuthi like kunjani ku politics phela le ama movie lawo siwabhekelelayo like angithi into eyenzakalayo phela thatha ubheke ukuthi ekhuluma umkhwanazi into sizibone ema-movini kule torinyana lezi esikhona ngithola mara uyazi ukuthi if wena uzoba i-whistleblower uyazi ukuthi
so yabona into enye manje kuzoba difficult ukuthi bambulala because aseka maybe like bebasibaplan ukumbulala ngoba uye basho wathi like maybe besibaplan ukuthi lo siyamsusa endleleni navela wathi hayi ithinye lapha because the minute aba ku-public eye if anything happens to him sekunama-suspect already
kuzungake kuba
nomkhwanazi bathe if ever something happens to him we now know
ukuthi kuzobe kwabo
ubani
so khe sakhuluma ngokuthi vele abo-commissioner bamahata abantu bakupolitiki yiba ama-supplier ama-drugs shuthi sazohlupheka ke because akunakuthi kuzoba ne-solution kuthi yangithola like i-drug buster lokwenza ama-reality show ubani konje le ucolana shuthi naye like into ayenzayo nje
like into ayenzayo ne but ukuthi like iphelele emoyeni because going on it's still going on iyachubeka kusho ukuthi awunatselo pili
that's why ngithi like isikhathi
that's the main thing
uyenza imali ngokuthi siyabhekelela ishow so it's all about money
sometimes it's all about mula that's why ngisho ukuthi money talks business money talks because if ever bebayilusile lento le ngabe namhlanje istats sama drug addicts siyayehla ngabe istats se crime rate siyayehla like and our president is also nonchalant akasho nix like uzipholele chilling polite
ngabona umuntu wepeace mfethu
umuntu wepeace how can ube uthi umuntu wepeace whilst kunezinto ezenzakalayo la eSouth Africa eziviolent for example manje Operation Dudula
Operation Dudula manje
yes Operation Dudula ikhipha abantu emakliniki abantu abangena ama-ID bayabakhipha ukuthi une passport awuna passport abakusebenzeli mabasho kanjalo bathini balwisa ama illegal immigrants why nilwisa ama illegal immigrants mara kunabanye abantu abanama passport wabo right mara still nabo niba deny access kuma clinic whereas kunabanye abasema country amanye abaphuma la eSouth Africa bakwamanye ama country bakhona lapho legally kunabanye la eSouth Africa abaphuma kwamanye ama country but they baba la legally like abakho illegal if ebanilwisa ama illegal immigrants funana ama passport that's the least you can do if ever umuntu une passport and nabona ukuthi like i-passport yakhe iyamvumela ukuthi abe la eSouth Africa leave that person alone.
Who's leading this operation?
I don't know at first bekunhlanhla Lax mara unhlanhla Lax is no longer part of that so kunye enye intombazana ngikhohle igama lakhe
intombazana leader
she's
like 50-50 ukuthi
like show
like
yeah
like Hannah show unalo show moja love
yeah something is wrong
imang kabinde stable
and unalo go podcast enya King David
Muthate
yeah abuwa ari halwanti
walishabalela the podcast ne
yes I do watch podcasts so anabuwa mola ari ulanta taba ya di illegal immigrants but to halanta the illegal immigrants ulanta le batho ba mo South Africa legally waba like ubaphutha kaofela cause how the clinicing how fita clinicing babare batho na di passport tsena le matsatsi le kana ba tshwara ditshebeletso bare everyone who is using a passport hacks yabo yabona bayibeka kanjani bathi wonke umuntu osebenzisa i-passport hacks asifuni la iSouth Africa is our country blah 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 yes it's your country guys asiyandi ukuthi country yethu yes isayithanda and asithandi lezi zinto ezenzakala zama illegal immigrants yes lusana ama illegal immigrants mara abantu abanama passport abanama rights ukuthi babe khona la eSouth Africa phumani kubo
wow wa ka re utshwere passport ni wena ka re wa ipuela
no can I ID but yes mara like ntotse nitlametse re se ka di sheba ka dihlelo hore ha ba tsamaya
because what will happen if ba tlosha la ba la South Africa
like
mara ba yenze nje
already se ba tibela and it tlo khosa eng already se re didela beko ka xenophobia it's leading back to that. It's leading back to xenophobia because honate se ba tebela mara a teng magwa a illegal mara never ba ya kwa ba fitla ba demand just because of bona ke magwa mara ba khona o tebela batho ba di country tse di
blacks.
Whereas we are black.
But even South Africans, how the country in Baba clinicing. So why should come South Africa?
Zimbabwe,
that Omong Ibile, or to a chopper,
South Africa.
Oh, so guess what?
Like
how the chopper like I can hold and never pizza got chop.
Why?
So that's like so that's my childhood name, guys.
Chopper. Chopper. Yeah, like history so.
Yeah, but that Omong called South African. Lena recently Bamu denied access to Kanako clinicing and then South Africans I think Mang Nadilenga chop. Marabente government South Africa won't go TikTok.
Oh, so that's the reason behind how about Zimbabwe?
No.
Why
wanna fail?
I can't remember but country. Oh, and the also we say the Zimbabwean president and the government, I think it's a South Africa is a banana country. So so clear those things. We are not a banana country. We can stand for ourselves. Yes, we can stand for ourselves, but let's do things in the right way. The reason I left Operation Tutula, it's because Batsoba never South Africa. Mozambique, Lesotho, Zimbabwe, Botswana, but they are here peacefully. Let's leave those people. Let's focus to those people. Our smoshela country. Actually, the reason I'm leaving Operation Tutula is because Labantu Laba balahle i-purpose ye-Operation Tutula. I-Operation Tutula was meant ukuthi ikhiphe abantu abala aba-illegal futhi bayenzani babulala abantu bayenza izinto yibo abafunayo because baba invisible esystemini yase-South Africa into ayishiya. Uthe ulusa abantu aba invisible kwi-system, but if ever uyavela kwi-system ukuthi usesh ukhona kwi-system yase-South Africa mara uphuma eZimbabwe uthule msesho ukhona mara uphuma eZimbabwe mara bekuminwe uyabonakala ukuthi lo muntu lo une-passport une-work permit and all that. So yabona
sesenesikhathi lapho Rex.
So Ntombo usiphathelele ntombazana?
Yo, a lot has been happening.
July has been a long month, ne?
Yo, and I feel ashamed. And
after December, because
we've
been through a lot.
What about December first? So
how? Because I go July, it's September, October.
Key special cut December.
Okay, December.
So I guess me
sonke siyahlangana ezifemeli abantu babayasimandifini
like abantu bayemandifini like bayithatha as like yabona eHollywood bathi isummer thina la sithi December sazi ukuthi December it's going down event after event like kuba makuyi December man kuna le fever like kuba mnandi man like every day man imali awuyitholi kanzima mawujika hey umuntu useka nokuthathela amabonus athi antwana asijikela phaya nazi ukuthi kujika ukuthi elikho la kujika khona
okay
kuba mnandi ama-family ayahlangana abantu bakuma recess university ababile kuma university like kuba mnandi wonke umuntu uhlangene ngasho kanjalo. So wena Ntombo, why is December special to you?
Nice because like everyone has money, but in terms of December yo no like wabona re ifedile, what have you done? How are reflect you've done nothing.
Yo like
and can't stress that December.
Mabani nele January today se re July. Go to papa ba tsane le December.
So ijwang 2025 wena like wena you pity kanjani 2025
Nasham 2025 has never been good to me ever since it na haine kala nekina le hope ne, but as time went on like hope ya ka ya like ya fela and dintho tse ngata di etsahetse like 2025 a se selemo se nka batlang go se hopola cause
At least he had hope.
like it's imphucile a lot. Yeah.
Tombo wena 2025
Sesh from day one bang tampa kadi one. Not even kadi one ta January ka 12 afternoon.
Yeah.
1 January 6 o'clock in the morning. Ka dumping.
But you say the back tapa but ati fresh out like no, I want to start my year.
No,
I don't want
like re ba mo tampile. It seems like moshimane olo o mo lakazitse. Whereas there's a story behind, guys. There's always a story.
Why out tampile? O tampile.
But what on kan tsoka mawala.
We saying like you but you better like you can talk about I will
no, like
that time.
Don't justify toxic.
I'm not toxic dimpo, no.
Like
but what justifiable toxic? Like I never that's why Bible bare skana hanela motho. Don't make assumptions. Don't make assumptions. When proof
like
she thought
when you see like because the session
she told me
a lot happened.
bona so she thought ukuthi like lo muntu lo uyamchitela kusho ukuthi like bebanga kuphi la MJV maba semjiveni wabona umuntu anomuntu whereas naye akahamba nganaye
sesh wena ungashiya umuntu wakhe emjiveni wena uboni
la dimension. So when I decide no kuba toxic ake tlwama
mara like ngeke ngizoshiya umuntu emjiveni kwenzakalayo.
And why akubona ukuthi motho how bona ke ahla why ubale like why o jumpa o tloa mo
I never cheated or never cheated ka wena like never cheated ka wena never so cheated
never cheated ka yena but me so the right no mara like la exaggerate hanyane ona tse uncalled for. Yeah, so they were
otherwise
uncalled for. Yes, and skapeta we yet.
Oh well.
Nah, 2025 like I get creep. I want to subscribers that who like chelete fela to stress and that was kick grand. Did the iPhone say get sponsor kids on stress and I was like nah. Otherwise I did not.
The iPhone is too cold.
Yeah,
it's too hot.
It's too cold. It's cold. I
like yo, mean I like yo. Yabona 2025.
Yeah.
I never thought.
And like to mata details.
Amara like isa sila yabona like ngaba wana ngafika
maybe
December uthi ya.
Kabanga futhi like ithi like ne May sishonolo malume wami.
Yeah.
June.
Because
cousin yami safihla cousin wami. Futhi yena wes like yabona malume sa understanding malume bekagula simbonile safara like nathi saba noma ukuthi like asimdedele like go and rest malume.
Imagine permission ukudedela abantu before
no like
nalo permission ukudedela abantu
asore re na le arena permission ukudedela abantu but if ever like he says like like he's suffering, he's been sick for a very long time, and like you can see the pain through his eyes, and like suffer like yeah, cause Lona never suffer cause trauma like like how son about uputula moya wa hao wa tsaking malume. If ever ke thato ya modimo ha iphethe mara le ya metshega la se thato ya modimo.
And then it's been a tough year. Mara you sena mama tsubuthi like ngajabula.
Yeah, maybe something can like subscribe and see na 1000 subscribers maybe.
Yeah.
The spirit.
Yeah, otherwise bafethu siyabonga ukuthi like lokhu nibanathi each and every week bafethu siyabonga isupport bafethu. So sizomethela izinto ezigrand and ngisasho namanje if kunento engayincasa ubona ama offside siyazi ukuthi abantu ababhaka bazositshela maybe abafunda ama comment asawafunda ama comment if ubone offside usitshela ukuthi hayi twins ngisandana lapha echola
phela sisenzela nina la if abanikhulumi nathi
if anikhulumi nathi
communication is key.
So ukhuluma nomngani wakho ukuthi umngani wakho vele kudala zonda thina kufakela lo ekhe kwasibakinye unsubscribe kunomunye unsubscribe ngokutshela mara like kunomuntu unsubscribe futhi and mina mengekho emacamereni ngiblame wena because ngoba ushaya isipasa sakho nje aba subscribers yafuna
lokuthi abona umuntu unsubscribe ne umuntu maybe things if I subscribe like uyangazi owazi wena uthi bekafuna ukuthi yazi abona sebamaningi manje inhliziyo yithi bese athi unsubscribe athi futhi ngifuna kuyehlisa kuthula pelo utla ipressa hape akhetha go release episode utla ipressa hape subscribe button guys like subscribe man sharp.
Yeah, there's something you want to say before we close the show?
No, nothing.
Twin tips, yeah. I guess you crying. But since you cool my way, yeah.
And as in Ishai Ganjan.
Ishai.
Yo, very much.
Yeah, bafethu siyabonga bafethu, so do the right thing bafethu, press that red button, comment and like and share bafethu, niyazi bafethu, Twin Say Show, Twin Clip, Ringas Podcast Show, Vetus Tweets. Danko.
Where?